Hello everyone, I am Mahesh and you are watching Live Trading Emperor Global. In today's video, we are going to understand all the candle colors used in Emperor Candle Indicator. But before we start, let me tell you one important thing. If you want free access to this indicator, make sure you watch this video completely. Somewhere in the middle or at the end of the video, I will tell you how you can get the indicator for free. And if you have not watched the previous video, make sure to watch them first. First, part 1, how to apply Emperor candle on TradingView. Second, part 2, Emperor candle indicator setting explained. Once you understand those two videos, this video will make even more sense. So now let's begin. Understanding the 6 Emperor candle colors. The Emperor candle indicator uses 6 different candle colors, which are so this is neutral bullish candle, which is empty, or you can say hollow candle. Second, it's seal. In this, I have painted it as a green, but on chart also I have used different color on my trading view setup. So color you can choose whatever you want, but we will count it as a green color. So this is a green candle which is bullish. After that, this is parrot green candle or lime green candle which is extreme bullish. After that, this is a black candle, neutral bearish. Red candle means it's a bearish, and blue candle means it's extreme bearish. So first we will talk about bullish side candle. Let's start with bullish candle, which represents buying pressure in the market. There are three bullish candles, as I said. So first, so we will count this as first. This is the first candle is a lime green. This is the strongest bullish candle in the system. When you see a lime green candle, it means the market is moving very strongly upward. Larger buyers are entering the market and pushing the price up very quickly. This type of candle often appears when the market breaks an important level or start a strong move. So when you see a lime green candle, it tells you that buyers are very aggressive. As you can see over here, like here, again over here, like this. So we have saw in history also. So after that, bullish candle, which is a dark green candle, means this kind of candles. I have made seal color or teal green color. This candle also show bullish moment, but it is not strong as the lime green candle. It simply means buyer in control and the market is moving upward normally. The trend is still bullish and the market is moving with buying momentum. Third, which is neutral bullish, which we will see often after or changing or shifting the trend, like over here. Now, this is a bullish candle, but after that, we are looking hollow candle or empty candle. This candle means the market is not fully bullish yet, but it is showing early signs of buying pressure. You can think of it as a warning signal that buyer may become active soon. So when you see this candle, it means the market is thinking about moving upward, but the move is not confirmed yet. So this was the three candle for bullish group. After that, we will see bearish candle. So we first, let's see first candle. We will count it as a black candle. So now over here, as you can see, the first bearish candle is black. When a black candle appears, it means it usually acts as a warning. It means the market is starting to show weakness. Some large traders may be existing their position slowly. So when you see a black candle, it tells you to be careful with buying trades. Second, bearish candle means red candle. A red candle means sellers are now in control of the market. The market is moving downward with selling pressure. When this candle appears, it shows that the market is clearly bearish at the moment. And after that, extreme bearish candle, which is blue candle. This is the strongest bearish candle in the emperor candle system. When you see a blue candle, it means the market is falling very strongly. Large sellers are pushing the price down aggressively. However, remember one thing: when the market falls very fast, it can also prepare for a possible bounce later. So the blue candle shows very strong selling momentum, but it also tells you that the move is already very powerful. Like over, we will see now in history, like over here. After that, it creates the zone. We will talk about zone later. We are just now talking about candles. Like was here. This is was extreme bearish. Market didn't go above this high price. After that, see. And after that, it gave suddenly big movement like this. And I was talking reversal also. So when the market fall very fast, it can also prepare for a possible bounce later, like over here. So how this happen and when to act in such scenario, we will talk about it later. So why these candle colors are important? These candle colors are important because they help you quickly to understand market momentum. Instead of analyze every small detail, you can simply look at the candle color and understand who is stronger, buyer or seller, whether the market is strong or weak, whether market momentum is increasing or decreasing. This makes the chart much easier to read, especially for traders who want quick decision. Like over here, see, this is a live market while I am recording. So as you can see, in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, in long time frame, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, we are seeing already bearish. But in 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 15 minutes, market has taken a momentum like over here. And we are seeing the live fall actually. So this was I am talking about. So quick summary of all colors. Let's quickly review all 6 candle. Bullish side, which are lime green. You can call this green, dark green or seal green, whichever suits you or whichever color you will choose. So I will say lime green, green color and hollow candle or white candle. After that, for bearish side, black candle, which is early warning of weakness, red candle, starting bearish momentum or strong bearish moment, and blue, extreme bearish moment. Once you understand this color, reading the chart become much easier and faster. Now, for free access reminder. Now let's talk about how can you get free access to the indicator. First, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me open. 1 minute. Subscribe to this channel. After that, if you are trading in Indian market also in Nifty or Bank Nifty or Sensex, then subscribe to this channel also. After that, follow me on TradingView, which is necessary or which is must to get free access. After that, sorry, 1 minute. Over here, follow my TradingView profile. After that, boost my indicator, Emperor candle indicator over here. Like press the rocket button, and for this also boost Emperor pivot. After boost both indicators on TradingView, you simply need to click the rocket button. Once you boost both indicator, I receive a notification on TradingView, like over here. I get the notification in my section. So after that, send me your TradingView ID through Telegram group or Telegram channel. Sorry, on Telegram group or Instagram. Me, follow me on Instagram and DM me on there. Make sure you send the same trading view ID that you use to boost the indicator. If boost ID and the ID you send match, you will receive free access to the indicator. So that's it for today. Now you understand how all the emperor candle color work. In the next video, we will move to the next part of the candle system. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy trading.